So I did a video before on the Credit Sesame account, and I just haven't seen that account fully report to the credit bureaus to see the effect. Whenever I see accounts like the Credit Sesame report to the credit bureaus, I don't see I don't see like a huge increase. I don't see that they're reporting like a regular credit card fully. So I tell people, if you want to get an account like the Credit Sesame, you want the effects, try to get you a secure credit card. Try to get one with Discover, try to get one with Navy Federal, because these are actually going to grow into regular credit cards. You actually get points and stuff like that. Now, if you want to go ahead and get that Credit Sesame account, go ahead and get it and come back and let me know like how they actually report to the credit bureaus for you. Now, sometimes you may just get this account, but if you guys get this account because you want to really boost your credit score, like I said too, go ahead and get the secure credit cards with like Navy Federal, Capital One, um, Discover. Capital One sometimes they're not doing what they need to do. So let me say that they're not reporting like they need to all three credit bureaus, because that's all you really want. You want them to report. But there's so many other credit cards. So these are like the best credit cards for bad credit. If you guys have bad credit, these are the best ones. It's on my website, Rickita.com. You can see I have the self Visa card here, the credit builder card right here. This one, I really like the credit builder card because they let you have two credit cards, and it's only a $200 deposit, and they report to the credit bureaus before you can get the credit card a lot of times. So I really like that, and you can apply right here on the website for any other credit cards I always tell you guys about. But go ahead and check this out because it's a lot of accounts on here. Like you got that kickoff account you guys can check out. You have the Discover Secure credit card, the Two More credit card. This one right here is not going to do a credit check at all. They're just going to look into your bank account. It's so many of them. So just go to Rickita.com. I'll just put Rickita.com. And then when you go to my website anytime, just make sure you guys search in this box right here. Because if you search right here, you guys are going to be able to look up any credit card or try to find a special credit card like for balance transfer, secure credit cards. You guys want to see them all listed here. So definitely go ahead and check them out there.